If you want to improve your writing on a laptop, Grammarly is one of the easiest tools to set up and use. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly on a laptop step by step so you can download it, install it, log in, and start getting writing suggestions almost instantly. This is great for emails, documents, social media posts, schoolwork, and any other text you type on your computer. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Grammarly for desktop page. It's always best to download software from the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safest version for your device. On the download page, Grammarly will usually detect whether you're using Windows or Mac. If it doesn't, choose the correct version manually. Next, download the installer for your operating system. If you're on Windows, you'll get an .exe file. If you're on Mac, you'll get a .dmg file. Once the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder or in the bottom bar of your browser. This part is important because you need to open the installer to begin the setup process. Now double-click the downloaded file to launch the installation. On Windows, you may see a setup window asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes or Allow if prompted. On Mac, you may need to open the DMG file, then drag Grammarly into your Applications folder if the installer shows that step. Follow the installation prompts carefully until the process is complete. After Grammarly finishes installing, open the app. The first time you use it, Grammarly will ask you to log into your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password and sign in. If you use Google, Apple, or another supported login method, you can choose that instead. If you do not have an account yet, create one and complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, Grammarly should start working in the background on your laptop. This is one of the most useful parts of the app because you do not need to open it every time you want help. Keep the app running in your background tray so it can check your typing as you work. On Windows, you'll usually see it near the system tray. On Mac, it may appear in the menu bar or background apps area. Now open any app or website where you can type text. This could be a browser, email platform, document editor, messaging app, or notes app. Click inside any text field and a floating Grammarly widget should automatically appear. This widget will begin offering suggestions as you type, including spelling corrections, grammar fixes, punctuation improvements, clarity suggestions, and sometimes tone or style recommendations depending on your plan and settings. As you write, Grammarly will underline words or phrases that may need attention. You can click on the suggestion to review it and decide whether to accept the change. If the suggestion makes sense, apply it. If you prefer to keep your original wording, you can ignore it. That flexibility is one of the reasons so many people like Grammarly because it helps you improve writing without taking away your control. A helpful tip is to test Grammarly in different apps so you can see where it works best on your laptop. Try using it in a browser, in a word processor, and in an email draft. The more you use it, the more natural it feels, and the easier it becomes to catch mistakes before you send or publish anything. And that's really all there is to it. Download the installer, install the app, log in, keep it running in the background, and let the floating Grammarly widget help you while you type. It's a simple setup that can make a big difference in your writing quality every day. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. And if you want, check out our next video for more helpful laptop tips and app tutorials.